Hi and smiles, everyone, and welcome. So it's August 16th, and it's the day to announce the winners to the 700 subscriber giveaway that I'm having. I have three prizes, and the first two I used a number generator to pick the winners, and the third prize is a comment generator I used, and the word was feather or feathers. So I'm just going to jump in and let you know who has won. So the first one was the napkins, 5 big ones, 5 small ones, and the winner of that is Cheryl-P, just like that. And I will have my email in the description box below. So Cheryl, if you would email me and let me know what your mailing address is, I will get these out to you right away. And congratulations. So these are all the names that are your YouTube name. Because they have changed that, I'm not always sure what your name is for sure. Just your channel is what they tell us. So the next winner of the second prize is I Love to Journal, and I believe, because she has commented and signed it, I believe it's Mary. So congratulations, Mary. This was for the 5 small napkins and this lovely clock stamp. And again, Mary, if you would just email me your mailing address. The email will be at the bottom of in the description box. And the grand prize winner, I guess I would call it, is for the feathers, the embossing folder, this beautiful dragonfly stamp, and these 5 large napkins. The winner is Kathy, and I will butcher this, so I'm just going to spell it KREB 8702. So Kathy, I hope that is your name. If you would just email me your mailing address, I will get this out to you right away. And the comment that she had made on the video was birds of a feather craft together, which I thought was really cute. So congratulations, Kathy, and congratulations to all 3 of you. And like I said, just email me your addresses and I will get these out to you as soon as I get your addresses. So you all have a lovely, lovely day and a crafty kind of day. And we will see and talk to you all very soon. Bye for now.